Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm finishing up a little series I'm doing on the new Creative Memories album kit called On the Bright Side. And it is absolutely gorgeous papers that are so full of color, and it's so easy. All you really need to put this whole album kit together are scissors and your photos. It's all. Everything is included in the kit. And if you haven't seen my prior videos featuring this, please go back and watch and you'll learn all about it. So we have two layouts left today, and that's 14 and 15. So let's get to it. So this is 14 and 15, and very, very pretty. So here are the papers for 14, and this cute sticker border. Let's see, one's going to go this way, and I think one will go this way. And if you haven't seen any of other videos, I'm going to show you how easy it is to cut these apart. So on the back of this cut apart sheet are all of the lines that you need to cut on. Of course, you could use scissors, but I have a trimmer. And I'm going to use it to quickly cut this apart. So easy. And I'm going to put these together because the cut line on the bottom is the exact same. So I could do two at once. I'm going to use my little guide to make sure I get it correct. Okay. And then the last one. And all done. So let's put these together on the mat. Let's see. According to the diagram, number 1 and number 2. Number 2 goes up here. Number 1 will go down at the bottom. Those are part of the embellishments. Hard to see against that colorful design there. All right, so this goes a 4x6. Now they say a 3.5 by 5.5, but a 4x6 will fit on here. And this will go up here. The journaling box down here, and this is for another photo. A 4x4 is what they're indicating on the instructions. This will go here. This will go down here. Let's see, this piece goes underneath this aqua piece with the little title there. Of course, I will probably add titles to these once I put my photos on. So that's all there is to it. Very pretty. This is a different colorful layout than what the other ones were. So I'm going to flip everything over. I can put this little cluster together. Well, I have it right here. And as in the previous videos, putting these on foam adhesive would add some dimension to them, and inking as well. And using the repositionable tape included in the kit gives you the opportunity to pull these apart and add other things to it. It's really pretty. I like those colors. So this is done. Oh, I didn't put the stickers down. Oh, goodness. First time that I didn't do the stickers first. All right, so the stickers are going to go right along this design paper and the check paper, or the lined paper, if you, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to just lift that up. Another good reason to use repositionable tape. this whimsical border. Punch came out with this on the bright side regular collection that gives it that whimsical look. One more layout. Let's go. That's layout 14. All right, layout 15. Here are the base pieces. And I already cut out the cut apart sheet. You don't need to be seeing me cut that out every single time. Okay, so these are going to go at the bottom. This is one of my favorite designs of this whole kit. And do you see the distinction? This line here, move these this way. So there's nothing in the middle here. So it has a border all the way around, the double border. All right. So the stickers are going to go down here in the bottom of this one. I only have one sticker sheet left. That's it. It means we're done. Okay, so I'll be back in just a minute with the album I'll put together. Can't wait. Okay, hang on. All right, are you ready? On the bright side, so let's see. Okay, so here's the opening front paper. So pretty. Page and frame. So pretty. Well, actually, this is layout 1. Layout 2. And you could put more photos down here. Layout 3. Layout 4. Layout 5. Layout 6. I love this whimsical border again. Layout 7. Layout 8. Layout 9. Layout 10. Got 2 there. Layout 11. 12. Layout 13. Layout 14 that we just put together in this video. Layout 15. And then the ending page. Isn't that beautiful? Wonderful, wonderful. Wow. So if you're interested in an album like this, an album kit, go to my Creative Memories website. Link is down in the video description and pick one up for yourself. What a beautiful, beautiful album. It's so easy. All you need is scissors and your photos. Okay, take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day.